No, 7 equals 2.
Okay, so yan. So, pinagbaliktad natin. Let's have another example. Okay, dito, meron tayong how many cookies? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, meron tayong 4 dyan. And sa side na to, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright.
16.
Very good. So, 4 times 4 is equal to?
16.
Okay, babe.
And
then,
pag 16 times
divided
by 4 is 4.
Alright. Okay, good. So, meron tayo another example. Here naman, sa activity B. We have here cookies. Meron daw 18 cookies over here. So, 18 divided by 3 is?
18 divided by 3.
6. Very good. Look. Oh, yeah. Tama yan. Kasi 6 and then pwede rin dun sa kabila is 6. Alright. So, kasi inverse lang siya. Pinagbaliktad lang siya. Okay. And then you try to do these examples too.
3. Oops.
Baliktad.
I always get baliktad 3. And this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. Equals 4. What about this? 12 divided by 4 is 3.
And complete the equations to match the arrays.
Okay. Oops! Wrong one.
Okay.
This.
What did you underline?
It's a verb.
Very good.
An adjective.
No, that's the adverb.
Oops.
Kasi yung adverb, describe yung ginawa ni kangaroo. Yep.
Oh, the lion sits proudly.
Okay, what's that? The verb, and then the adverb is proudly.
This
You
guy.
forgot the one on the left, love.
Oh.
The one on the left. The sentences on the left here. Time, Dad had left Molly alone at home while he went into the tiny town for some groceries. Breathing hard, Molly went to the dining room window and peeked through the curtains.
Continue to watch and saw another sudden flash of light again. The shed window after a moment.
The shed window. You have to stop me, period.
Window. Just enough to sit inside and watch the bird of prey. Her quiet, gentle voice seemed to calm the bird. It stopped trying to get away from her and become curious.
Became curious.
Become curious.
Became? It's an ABB, it's not an O. Became curious. Okay.
Became curious. Watching Molly and I wonder.
We're doing spelling. Here. So, bikahon tayo. Under gumamela. Luksong tinik. Okay. Nakita ni Maria na naglalaro ng luksong tinik ang mga bata. Tinanong niya ako kung bakit luksong tinik ang tawag doon.
Is this Maria?
I don't think so. Akala ni Maria ay kailangan ng tinik. What does tinik means?
Fish.
Yeah, tinik. May fish has tinik. Thorn. Or ano, pwede ba sa anything na yung tinik ng isda? Pwede rin, di ba? Alright. Akala ni Maria ay kailangan ng tinik ng isda para maglaro ng luksong tinik. That's funny. Sinabi ko sa kanya na mga kamay at daliri lamang ang kailangan. Ibabakod ng mga taya ang kanilang mga kamay. Lulundag naman sa harang ang iba. Okay. So, let's answer. Flip mo na, babe. Flip it over. Ayan. So, start tayo dito. Talasalitaan. Hanapin ang kahulugan ng mga salita. Isulat ang titik ng tamang sagot sa patlang. Okay, number 1, tinik. Ano ang tinik? A, tatalon. B, kalansay ng isda. C, mahalagang bagay na dapat gawin. D, iharang. Okay, so sasagot sila dito sa homeschool notebook.
This is my homeschool notebook.
Yep.
And this is mine.
Yes.
This is space. Mine is cat. Yes, I got it right.
Got it right?
Check. Check. Check, check. Check. Okay. Check.
Our paper over, and we're going to repeat that same thing. Take the top flap, line it up with the top edge, and one that circles in the top left of each eye. Then we'll color in the big circle. It'll look more like watermelon once we color it. Let's open up our paper.